What is up, everybody? I am back today with another daily GTA 5 video. I am sorry I haven't been posting lately, but I've just been doing stuff over a period of time. So, I'm going to start getting back and doing it. So, just leave a like and comment if you like the video. Thanks. Now, today as you can see, we are out in the middle of nowhere. We're in the desert. As you can see, we are just driving somewhere. Y'all see. I bet y'all can figure out what it is pretty quickly. So asking questions like, why does he have this? Why? I'm about to tell you. I'm going to be doing some rally racing in this car. So showing you. And I did just customize it. It's fully upgraded pretty much. It's like one little thing, I think it's like the engine or something. But for everything else, it's freaking beautiful. Nice, right? See, look, there's the there's where we're gonna be going. I'll be going. Wait a few seconds. Now I'm just gonna be showing you what this car can do. Holy crap! Oh my god! Holy crap! I'm gonna fall off. Man, as you can see, it's already freaking fast. Holy donuts. Take a quick look at the car. I mean, we got the nice ultra blue wheels with that blue right there. That regular blue. We got that yellow. We got that drift wing. Got the atomic tires. Seems to be a rear wheel drive. 20 volts. Inline. Futo. That's really ultimate car, and except that roof spoiler right there. Oops. Did I break? Really? Wait a second. I'll show y'all a trick I've learned from my friends. So if you shoot these little knobs right here on the tire, well, it doesn't slow your car. It makes your car 10 times faster. I'm just saying, if you want to do it, try it out. It really does make your car faster. Like, I braced my friend in a gesture with this, and I crushed him. Just with these, just with my tires like this. Oh, my controller died. What? Don't die. Not now. Now, if you do it too much, the car will explode on you. So, don't do it too much. Just get it. Why are you dying? What the fuck? Oh, there's a battery missing or something. Oh, okay. I'll be right back and I'll get some batteries. Just kind of look at the car. Oh no. Just ignore that. I'll be back. Hold on. Just This may take a minute. Let's see if this one works, guys. I don't know. I haven't really used this controller in a while, so I thought to... Yeah, that one's completely dead. Be back in another 2 seconds. Really? Not gonna give me any power. Oh, this is fucking great. Sorry guys, this is taking forever to find. Hold on, we're almost there. Really, my not even gonna turn on? Maybe if I put in this controller. Nope. Why don't these batteries work? These batteries have like no life. May not even be the controller, it could just be the battery. Never know. Could just be the battery. So we'll try this one. Nothing is working. This is so weird. It's like never happens. Let me try it out. That 3? What the heck? Whatever. Okay, so get back to what I was doing. I'm gonna show you how fast it can go, like what it can do. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So let's get it going. Oh God. Not starting off well. Not starting off well. Alright. Oh Jesus, whoa. We got 30 farther. Tell me what I should do next, what game I should play next. Leave it in the comment section. We're also going to prove its strength real quick. That'll be it for the video. Prove its strength against this. Bulldozer! Let's go. So it'll start up. Last time I did this, it didn't start. Awesome. Already lost the door. God, what am I doing? I'm demolishing the car. Car is like being demolished. God, I can't hit it. There we go. Really? Alright, so I don't even do anything, I'm just sitting here. It just dies by itself. But it just dies. That is it. Alright, geez, oh my god, oh, lost the door. Spoilers messed up. Not even really that bad. Well, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and sorry for the delay. I'll fix that next time. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to y'all later.